Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would share with you the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and we would be sharing all these opportunities in the comment section of the video, so you can take benefit from that. And before we move ahead, I would request every one of you to like, share, and subscribe our channel because these all kind of information we are sharing absolutely free of cost with you. We're not charging anything. So request you to like, share, and subscribe our channel. So the very first job opportunity is for Devik Soft Technologies. It's in Kochi, and they are looking for a fresher or someone who has 1 year of experience in tech. Position is QA assistant, 0 to 1 year of experience, and shift timings would be 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. And immediate joiners are preferred. Freshers are welcome. You can send your resume to this email address with the subject line QA assistant, and you would be getting the revert in 1 or 2 days. So you have to wait for the response from them. Then there is a remote job opportunity for QA automation engineer. Experience is 4+ years. Notice period is immediate joiner or 15 days. And the shift timings is evening shift, 5:30 p.m. to 2:30 a.m. It's a 5 days work from home opportunity. And these are all the skill sets that they are looking for. Interested candidate can share their resume on this email address. Then there's a hiring for multiple roles for QA automation, Java Selenium, TestNG, Bangalore, .NET developer, PLSQL developer. So there is a hiring for multiple roles, and you can send your CV to this email address. VisiBox is the name of the company which is hiring. QA automation as well as senior QA engineer roles are there. Then there is a requirement for manual tester intern, and you can join this particular company, and they are looking for fresher or 0 to 6 months of experience. UI testing is mandatory. Location is Bhopal, and Bhopal candidates would be preferred first. So these are the skill set that they are looking for: knowledge of UI testing, QA methodologies and agile, familiarity with testing tools and bug tracking, basic programming knowledge, strong analytical and communication skills. And this is the email address, and this is the contact number, and the address details are provided. Thought Framework is also hiring, and this is the referral email address wherein you can share your CV. They are looking for someone who is willing to work remote, right? It's a work from home job opportunity, 6 months. Contract duration is extendable. Experience is 3 to 5 years, and you can share your CV at this email address. Then Gate 6 is hiring for QA engineer. Two positions are there. It's a full-time role, 3 to 5 years of experience. Location is Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Immediate joiners or candidates with up to 15 days notice period are preferred. And you can send your resume to this email address, or you can click on the link to apply. Then there's a requirement for QA analyst at Pune location, and budget is open, 3 years of experience. Mandatory skill set is Java or Python or C Sharp with Selenium. And this is the email address wherein you have to share your CV. Then there is a requirement for automation test analyst, Java, Selenium, Gurugram, and you can apply at this particular link. Then there is a opportunity for the partners who can provide automation testers on the payroll for Bangalore location. So if your organization specializes in providing skilled automation testing professionals, then you can connect at this email address. So these are few of the job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, remote job opportunities also. And I'll also share these links in the comment section, wherein there are further more QA job opportunities, testing job opportunities, wherein you can apply today itself, and you can get shortlisted for the interviews. All right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.